The most common thing to do with banana peels is to throw them in the trash. However, there are various miraculous uses for this frequently overlooked product. The peels can be used in your kitchen as a cleaning product or in your beauty routine. Here I have collected the most practical uses for banana peels that will definitely change how you feel about this fruit. So before getting started, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. The banana peels have various miraculous effects ranging from treating your acne to polishing your silver and many more to go. So stay tuned and watch till the end. Number 1, they help to treat migraines and headaches. If you're looking for a natural way to treat your migraine, look no further than your fruit basket. A banana peel across the forehead and across the back of the neck can help relieve headaches. This is due to the potassium in the peel. Put the banana peel in the freezer for an hour. Apply one line of peel to your forehead and one to the back of your neck. Leave it on until it becomes warm. Repeat if you still have a headache with additional cold peels. Number 2, they help reduce the appearances of scars. This is because banana peels have the ability to drastically reduce skin irritation such as swelling, redness and scarring. They also contain esterified fatty acids which have actually been isolated and incorporated into various lotions that diminish the visibility of scars. Take the banana peel and apply it to the affected area. Leave for 1 hour or overnight. Repeat it daily for getting the instant result. Number 3, it fights aging. If you're suffering from premature aging and wrinkle, massaging the inside of a banana peel on the affected areas might help you. So, massage it gently on your skin for 5 minutes. Rinse it off after 15 minutes. Doing this will shrink your pores and tighten your skin, which is a leading factor for aging. Number 4, hydrates your skin. Winter can be harsh on your skin. They rob your skin of its moisture, making it look dull and lifeless. Bring back the lost moisture and hydrate your skin with the help of a banana peels. It will not only rejuvenate your skin but also bring back the lost glow. Number 5, whiten your teeth. Ripe banana peels are very rich in potassium that can help reduce yellow stains that appear as a result of the consumption of certain beverages such as coffee and tea, and certain foods such as blueberries and raspberries. So brush your teeth and rinse your teeth well. Take the inside of the banana peel and rub it on your teeth for 2 minutes. Rinse your teeth again and repeat it daily. Number 6, it helps to reduce acne. Banana peel contain vitamin C, vitamin E, and they also contain potassium, zinc, iron and manganese. These nutrients can calm inflamed skin and reduce acne outbreaks. Furthermore, banana peels contain lutein and carotenoid which helps to fight inflammation and acne breakouts. So what you have to do is rub the banana peel over your skin and leave for 5 to 10 minutes. Then rinse your skin. Repeat this regularly or twice daily in order to get rid of acne instantly. Number 7, they can polish your silver. Yeah, you heard right. When your silver begins to lose its luster or it begins to tarnish, try using a banana peel. The inside of a banana peel contains substances such as potassium that can help clean metal objects. Take the banana peel and place them in a blender. Add half a cup of water to mix. Mix until it becomes a paste. Then rub your silver with the paste for a few minutes. And there you go, a shining silver you will ever see. Number 8, it removes warts. The banana peel helps in removing warts and eliminates the occurrence of new ones. For this, simply rub the peel on the affected area or tie the peel overnight on it. This is one of the simplest way to use a banana peel for the skin. Number 9, pain reliever. Apply the banana peel directly on the painful area, then leave it on for 30 minutes till the pain is gone. A mixture of vegetable oil and banana peel also helps in pain relief. Number 10. UV protection. Banana peel helps in protecting the eyes from the harmful UV rays. Make sure you leave the peel under the sun before rubbing the banana peels on your eyes. It is also proven to reduce the risk of cataracts. Number 11. Banana peels for dry skin. If you have a dry skin, then rub the inside of the banana peel on your skin twice a day and avoid washing it for as long as you can. Then you will notice a significant change in matter of days. Number 12. Treat dry feet. The moisturizing benefits of bananas are also great for treating dry, cracked heels. Mash 2 ripe bananas and apply to clean, dry feet. Then leave it on for 10 minutes. Then rinse feet with lukewarm water. The nourishing banana pulp will give you soft feet. Number 13. Relieve itchy mosquito bites. The sugars in the banana peel help draw the fluid out of itchy mosquito bite. Sanitize the affected area first, then rub the inside of the banana peel on the bite. Banana peels also helps to relieve the itch from poison ivy when used the same way. Number 14. Healthy hair. The nutrients present in banana peel helps to make the hair shinier and softer. So what you have to do is take 1 to 2 banana peels and then blend them in a blender. After that, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of milk in order to get a paste, a thick paste. Then apply it on your hair and leave it on for 10 minutes. After that, shampoo your hair and just enjoy the soft and shiny looking hair. Number 15. Improve your complexion. Massage a piece of ripe banana peel over your entire face once every few days. The fruit acid and nutrients in the peel can help to exfoliate and nourish your skin, giving it a softer, younger and healthier appearance. That's the 15 amazing way to use a banana peel for your everyday life. If you like this content, give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and keep sharing, keep loving. Take care. Bye bye.